Welcome to this introduction video around how we can provide you with better data for your decision-making using Volley's standard dashboard package based on Power BI for Maconomy. In many companies, providing the right information for decision-making comes with some challenges. We have mentioned a few here that you might recognize and the problems we can help you solve. For the same reason, solving these challenges, we have created a best practice reporting package for your business that works directly with Maconomy. It has been important to provide a package that both looks at current performance, but also provides insight into the future plans. All our dashboards follow the same design principle, where we provide KPIs at the top for strategic focus, graphs in the middle for spotting trends, and detailed data at the bottom with drill into further details. As it's Power BI dashboards, they are fully available within the Teams app, which makes them easily available within your favorite business all-day tool. Further to that, they are tailored to each role in your company. Let's have a look at some of them. Let's start by focusing on the people part of your business. And here we see the utilization of the people in the company and development over time. The dashboard is available in different formats from company to department to employee level. Managing people is also about looking into the future. So this dashboard shows a capacity overview of future resource bookings based on the People Planner solution. And you can utilize that to spot holes in your capacity or overbookings. Now let's switch to another focus in your business, being your customers. The Customer 360 overview shows all key information around your client's performance with drill into project details. The next dashboard focuses on another vital part of your business, being your projects and how they deliver proper performance to your business. Here you see an example of drill capability at the bottom. Looking at project performance coming from a department to customer to project level. No dashboard package without proper financial dashboards. Here you can see a profit and loss or income statement, but showing multiple companies presented next to each other. And you can choose to use the filters at the top of the dashboard to compare to last year or to your budget. The final dashboard we show is another key report for your finance team, a working capital dashboard showing development in the most key aspects of your capital being your AR, AP, and WIP. Let's talk a little bit about how we implement this. We have made a great process available for implementing these standard dashboards for you, where we first establish the infrastructure and data access setup, followed by adjusting the best practice reporting package to your specific needs, before we ask you to verify it and then we deploy it for go live. And finally, you can train your end users. We hope you found this interesting. We have many years of experience with professional service companies, Maconomy and reporting solutions, which is quite unique. And that's why we've put all of this together in this best practice dashboard package that goes with your version of Maconomy after some few adjustments. Contact us to learn more.